is amazing. I don't know what's happened. I feel like I've got like the two best looking boys in the villa. And I feel like it's definitely started to get like some kind of like emotion out of Callum, so I am all for it. I was just making sure you got here all right, guys.
Oh, you all right?
Yeah, just gonna might do a little workout.
Really?
Oh, what do you mean I always do it?
Really? This is new.
Go away.
All right, I know I'm not winning.
Stuffed.
All right, guys, that's me. I don't like crowds.
It's all right, you lucky, love you.
Love you.
Come on then.
So yeah, I'm thinking just a bit of pad work, you know, I don't want to overexert
You good?
myself.
Have you done it before?
Yeah, obviously like circuits.
Yeah.
Wait, come with me to the railing.
I'm a lover, not a fighter.
I reckon you'd be quite feisty.
I can't, normally I let my tongue do the talking. Oh, that sounds, that doesn't sound too great.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
Oh, shit. This is just savage, isn't it? Savage.
Yeah, I woke up this morning and obviously we're walking to the gym. She's like, "Are you gonna give us a little boxing session?" I was like, "What?"
Yeah, she's not had that once since she's been here.
Nah.
Nah, I've never once heard her want to go gym with us boys.
Nah.
Okay. Oh,
Your left hand 6 inches out in front of your
what
face.
the how do you measure 6 inches?
Well, roughly
That?
around that, yeah. And then if you were to throw a jab, you'd throw it to this one.
Yep.
I made a breakfast this morning. I mean, I'm blatantly making it obvious.
Oh, so you guys come in and we're shitting ourselves.
Like, it's not nice to see. I mean, who's not going to like him, you know what I mean? He's a nice guy, he's tall, he's big. Yeah, so I think I'm worrying a bit.